Alright guys, YouTube people, whoever. Anyways, just went to our local swap meet slash flea mart, whatever you want to call it. Didn't really have anything. Actually had a lot of stuff, but nothing I was looking for. Gotta drink something. But I did buy, we're going to be installing a tankless water heater, electric tankless water heater. So I gotta run 220 to it, and 250 amp breakers. These things are stupid expensive. Those are $50 a piece. And then the clean out valve, that's $100. And then I'm gonna be running a filtration system through it too, so this way it doesn't get a bunch of like calcium buildup, sediments, all that stuff. And plus it'll probably make our house water taste better. So anyways, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm probably not gonna do it today. I'm gonna probably wait till next weekend, because we're on propane right now, and we still have about 18%. That was a big dip. We got about 18% propane left, and so we're gonna try to use as much of it, empty it out as much as we can, because we're also gonna tell the propane company to come pick up their tank, like the previous video I posted. So yeah, I just spent about 2 hours at Lowe's getting stuff, pipes and unions and copper and whatever. Anyways. So now I'm heading home, gonna go route it all, look at it. We're gonna get rid of our big water heater and basically just go through and got this guy over here, homeless guy, disabled. I don't know, doesn't look disabled to me. Anyways, we're gonna take that water heater out and its stand, take it to the scrap yard, and yeah, pretty much put a sink in its place, so I'll have a sink in the garage. I don't have to make a mess in the house, so I can wrench it on cars, trucks, whatever I'm wrenching on. I'll be able to wash my hands in the garage, so it's kind of a plus. That electric water heater, it takes up like no space at all. It's literally like 16 inches wide, 19 inches tall, and like 8 inches thick. So yeah, it doesn't take up any space or anything, but it runs off a lot of power. It says I have to run two 2-pole 50 amp breakers, and it's 100 amps, but it says it only requires 75, so I don't know why they're doing 70 or 100 amps, 100 amp breakers. I don't get it. I don't know why. It should be 240 amps, because if it's 75, you want an extra 5 amps. Whatever, that's what it calls for. And in order for me to keep the warranty, then that's what I'm gonna use. So if it catches my house on fire, then that's on them, I guess. So but yeah, so I just got to run the wire. Got to run 2 series of wires, 2 8-gauge, so it's 8-2, so it's 8-gauge hot common, so 2 wire plus a ground. I gotta run 2 sets of those wires, so it's gonna be 4 8-gauge wires and 2 ground. running from my breaker box up through the garage to the rafters and then down to the water heater, which isn't too bad. It's like a total of 31 feet from the breaker to there, and the only thing I can find was 125 feet roll, which comes out to, I think it's like $1.60 a foot, or I can buy it off the roll for $3 something a foot, which is like 126 bucks. So I paid 105 bucks for the roll, and I can use it to run power to my air compressor that's right there by the breaker box. Whatever I need, basically. So anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I just gotta swap some breakers around to accommodate the two pole breakers. So just cruising in the Ford, the Power Joke. I don't know, I like this truck. It's my little go-getter grocery supply scrap truck. But anyways, that's gonna be it, guys, for this video. I still have yet to hear from Railroad. I've been checking they call it a bid line. Been checking the bid line so I'm supposed to have access to the bid line so I can bid on a job or go and take a job from somebody, basically. So yeah, but that's it. I'm just waiting for that. They said I was supposed to have access to it on 2 weeks ago, then Thursday, then Friday, and then he told me Saturday, but I knew Saturday wasn't going to happen. Anyway, so I'm going to make some phone calls tomorrow morning. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Later.